Hello, welcome again. We are solving Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2025 of Civil Services Mains Exam. Question number 6 is why is vapor absorption evaporation system considered to be a better option in comparison to vapor compression evaporation system for large capacity evaporation and air conditioning plant. So here the explanation is the vapor absorption is often better for large capacity applications because it uses readily available low grade heat like waste heat instead of high grade electric energy, resulting in significantly lower operating cost. It also has fewer, less complex moving parts, allowing for quieter operation, less wear and tear, and better performance under fluctuating loads despite having a higher initial cost and lower capacity performance than vapor compression system. So detailed explanation is, so first is energy resource. In vapor absorption, it relies on a heat source such as industrial waste heat or solar energy to drive the evaporation cycle, and in vapor compression it requires significant um, electric power to run a mechanical compressor, so that's why it is used. Operating cost for absorption cycle, the lower operating cost because it utilizes free waste heat instead of paying for electricity, and vapor compression cycle uses higher operating has higher operating cost due to continuous electric consumption for the compressor. And mechanical component in vapor absorption cycle, it contains only small liquid pump as the main moving part, leading to quieter operation and less waste, whereas vapor compression cycle uses an energy intensive compressor with many more moving parts which can be noisy and prone to wear. And performance under varying conditions in vapor absorption cycle, performance is less affected by variation in cooling load or evaporator pressure, providing more stable cooling. Whereas in vapor compression, the performance can suffer significantly. A partial load and capacity decreases with lower evaporator pressure. Next is environmental effects. So vapor in vapor absorption cycle can be more environmentally friendly by utilizing waste heat, thereby reducing overall energy consumption and reliance on fossil fuels for power generation. Maintenance, the vapor absorption cycle less in vapor absorption cycle less maintenance is required due to fewer moving parts, whereas in compression cycle more maintenance is needed for compressor and other mechanical components. So now we can say, finally we can conclude, when there is abundant source of low grade waste heat such as industrial processes, such as in industrial processes, the economic advantage of vapor absorption or large scale replication becomes significant. While initial capital cost might be higher, the long term saving from free heat and lower maintenance make it the preferred choice for large capacity applications. So this is the explanation.